on an undisclosed location in the Creek Swamps of South Carolina. And we're going to show you the evolution of bow chain saws over the last few years. Located here, we have an early 70s vintage Homelite 66 chainsaw, Super Whiz. It turns about 6,000 RPMs. Here we have a little bit later model, Husqvarna 2100. It's got a Remington bow that has been retrofitted to it. This saw turns about 9,000 RPMs. If we move on up for years, this saw is just a couple years old. It's a Domar 7900, one that I use a lot. It turns about 14,000 RPMs with this bow. I also have my son here with me today. He has a Husqvarna 372 that turns approximately 14,000 RPMs with a bow that's been fitted to it. Moving on down to a little bit later model saw, earlier model, excuse me, is a Poulan 4000. This is a late 70s vintage saw. And we have a couple more older Poulans there. We also have a 410, which was probably the last American-made Homelite, and it's been retrofitted with a bow, so we're going to demonstrate a few of them today. I'm going to start off with this old Homelite and make a cut. This is a piece of white oak that fell down by a storm a couple years ago. I made one cut with it with this Homelite. That's one. Okay, as you can see, this saw has a transmission located on the side. It's a very slow cutting saw. We're going to step up a few years and try this Husqvarna 2100 out. That is a direct drive saw. You can see that steps up the speed of cutting a good bill just over a few years of production time. And we're going to step up a little bit newer with a Domar 7900. This is basically a stock saw with the addition of a heavy duty air cleaner. Now I'm going to ask my son here to make a cut with the Husqvarna 372. Your crank. Now we're going to step back in time just a little bit and make a cut with the Homelite 410. Okay, this concludes our video on the Bow chainsaws. If you have any questions, you can send them to us. We'll be happy to answer them for you. Thank you.